Hey, it is Friday night in London and this is another weekend vlog. We don't really have many plans except for tonight, so that's good. We've got something to do tonight. We're going to a friend of a friend's art show and just catching up with general humans because we've been working from home all week by ourselves, so we need some humans to interact with. And then we'll figure out the rest of the weekend tomorrow. Let's go out into London for the weekend.
Who's getting changed?
Certainly not me. I have sunglasses on. I'm clearly walking out the door.
Yeah. The other things I have are black.
That's okay, we can be matching. We're back home. Had to come home to collect a jumper because I always get cold at night. That's my number one rule. Always leave with a second layer. Good morning, it is Saturday morning and we are on a rescue mission. Liam has a flat tire at the park. He's been cycling since 6 a.m. It's now well past 9 a.m. I was asleep, didn't get the messages, but now I have, so I'm into full-on survival mode, going to rescue him via the means of a t-shirt and Birkenstocks. Don't know how this is going to work out or resolve the situation, but let's go find out. We don't have time to do this. We gotta go save Liam. Let's go. We have the lone boy. Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Here is your shirt you requested.
Thank you very much.
Yesterday's shirt. Here are the Birkenstocks
yes.
you requested.
Very good.
I've saved you now. The rescue mission is complete. He can now go home. Wow, look at that rainbow. It's like art. What the fuck? The Birkenstocks and the t-shirt in action for this rescue mission. Liam is now able to come home. Due to the success of the rescue mission this morning, we are now going to go and celebrate with a pub lunch. We're going to meet up with a friend and also watch the Premier League, which I watched for the first time the other week and quietly enjoyed it. So I'm going to go and watch another game. Maybe I'll be into sports soon, who knows? We just watched the Premier League at the pub and had some lunch as well, and now we're walking through Kensington Gardens or something like that, and we're going to head to the V&A because there's a menswear exhibition we've been wanting to see, and we're relatively close now that we're over in West London, so we may as well make the most of the extortionately long tube trip that it takes to get over here and do some other activities in the area. So let's go look at some parks and menswear. Woof, my two favourite things. What do you think of the plan, Liam?
Excellent plan. Very, very excited.
There's the Royal Albert Hall. We haven't seen that yet. It's stunning. Just think, if we had been here a few years ago, we could have seen the Arctic monkeys. We're just a few years late. We were just at the VMA. We were at the Video Music Awards. So we were just at the V&A, the Victoria and Albert Museum. And we went to the Fashioning Masculinity, the Art of Menswear exhibition. Proof of purchase. It was good. It wasn't like great, we had high expectations. But overall enjoyable. Got to see Timothy Chalamet and Harry Styles outfits, so I'm practically stood next to them. And now we're trying to figure out what to do next. We're a bit tired because we've been out and about all day, so we're going through IMDb's top movies of all time and trying to pick one that we both agree on. And then we're going to just probably cook a nice meal at home and watch it tonight, which sounds like a really nice night. Got it.
All right.
I wouldn't say it's a screenshot. Fuff. Oh. Oh, he snapped it. So pretty much we're screenshotting anything that we both agree we would watch tonight, and then we'll pick from the shortlist. I wonder what will win. Off to Harrods. Okay, so at Harrods we picked up some dinner. We got spinach and ricotta ravioli, and better yet, it was 50% off. What a deal! And then we also got some tomato sauce with mascarpone to have with it. So we're gonna have that for dinner and put a movie on and just rest our feet because we've been walking all day, and just have a quiet Saturday night at home. Hello, it is Sunday morning and I just got off the phone from a lovely FaceTime with my friend Lauren back in Australia. So that was really nice, just caught up on what's been happening. And now I'm gonna head to yoga, which I've been pretty slack with this week because I've been pretty tired and just a bit overwhelmed by being here and being very far from home. So obviously yoga would have helped with those feelings, but I just didn't feel, strong enough to go and exercise this week. But I feel good today. We had a really nice Friday and Saturday, so my spirits have been uplifted, and I'm gonna head to yoga, and then I don't know what we'll do for the rest of the Sunday. I haven't really made any plans. I do need to go, I'm going to go pick up a marketplace set of drawers for our wardrobe because at the moment we have no storage in there other than the hanging rod. So we need some drawers to put jumpers and underwear in and have that be organized. So we're gonna head to yoga and then go and pick up those drawers, and then we'll figure out something for the afternoon, try and make it lovely and feel good and bring in some good energy because it's been difficult being away from home, and it's just kind of dawning on me this week how far we are from everyone we love, and being in a new city is hard. Okay, we've collected the malms. With sheer brute and strength, we've carried them home, and now they're gonna go into our wardrobe to replace this suitcase we've had filled with just all of our random items. So now we got you guys. To put stuff in. Ooh, they're deeper than I thought. Ooh, that is a snug fit. Nice, let's see if the second one fits.
Yeah. That's
perfect. Now we have all of this storage for our bits and bobs, better known as our underwear. So we got these for £50 on Marketplace. They're usually £50 each. So we got buy one get one free, already assembled and no shipping costs. Very good, very satisfied. Okay, so we picked up the Malm cabinetry. We had a coffee and a toasty for lunch. And then I also picked up some ingredients because I'm gonna bake a cake. in 30 to 40 minutes. We're gonna go check out Primrose Hill now, which we haven't been to before, and we're gonna have a little picnic. We've got some snacks, cheese and focaccia, and we're gonna head over there. Let's go. Heading home from Primrose Hill, which was incredible. Huge fan of that hill. Now Liam and I are gonna head home for another movie night, a Sunday movie night. Thanks for coming along for another weekend in London. Bye.